We need to talk. You work all day long. You have to spend more time in the house. You have to care more about the kids. We have to visit our family. Now you're so weird. Your eyes are becoming square.
Just relax. You're employed, so enjoy.